Hi guys, it's Harvest 2013 and second week, and I thought I'd just give you a little bit of an update on what's going on here on the farm. We had interesting harvesting in that we started with a bang with Grenache Blanc, with Chenin Blanc Chardonnay, and just a little bit after that we started with our Pinotage, and then we had rain. So after the rain we really needed to just firstly wait until all of the concentration in the fruit and the berries came back. And that took us a whole week. So on Friday we went for our last checking in the vineyards. We're very happy that we're going to take in lovely Merlot and lovely Vineyards on Monday. But it seems like we'll have some rain again next week as well. So I think it's going to be an interesting harvest, especially when we look at our grapes in Hermanus as well. Really making sure about how healthy the grapes are, the flavors of the grapes. Still looking fantastic at the moment, but I think it's just going to mean that we will definitely have to know our footwork in when we take the grapes. Otherwise, Pinotage just pressed yesterday, really excited about that. All of the early cultivars really looking beautiful. And as you can see, a lovely windy day here in Wellington. So a lot of wind, really cool in the evenings, cool in the mornings, just so really different to what we would expect for this time of the year, and obviously being a little bit worried that we'll have to do 8 weeks worth of harvesting in something like 5 weeks. So interesting times ahead. This might be the last video clip that I do, just because we'll get so busy that we won't be able to do this, but yes, we'll keep you posted. Thanks.